Hi guys, I'm Mohammad Shahzad. So today we will see what is Python and how to install Python on Windows 10, the latest one. So let's discuss about the Python. Python is a language which is really popular now, getting popular in the world among the networks, because if you are a good Python expert, you can do good automation. Then upcoming new Cisco tracks and everything, if you have a background of Python, that's very good. Secondly, Python is an interpreted, object oriented, high level programming language with dynamic semantics. So a lot of libraries and a lot of other things are free in this, and you can learn. Like the most popular I like, which is OpenCV. Oh my God, you cannot imagine that OpenCV is a library you can use in Python, and you can do a lot of projects like people counting, face recognition, automatic number plate readings, traffic control things, a lot of security things you can do in that. So let's go and we will start installation of Python on our Windows 10. So first of all, you have to go on the website of Python. It's an open free source, free language library. You can install free software. So I will use Google Chrome, and whatever the other browser you have, you can use. I will just type here python.org. Sorry, I'll go and first of all I will do one thing. I have to turn on my network. Okay, so I'll do here. I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. Usually if I'm not using internet, so I always turned off my Wi-Fi. I don't want to bring the hackers to my network. Anyway, so we are here on Python website. So you have to go here. First, you know that python.org is a site link, and we'll go on downloads, and in the downloads we will go for Windows. Okay, click on it and you will see the latest release of Windows. For Windows is here, latest Python 3 released, Python 3.8.2. so I will click on this, and here you will come another page. Just go down here, down, and go into the files here. So here you can see there is a lot of Macintosh, Windows and other things, but we are looking executable, and my computer is 64-bit, so I will use this one, 64-bit executable installer. So I will click on that and it will start downloading. Okay, it's downloaded. I will open the folder. Here is my Python. So I will just double click. Okay, so it's open a wizard to install. So I will check on you know what thing, you must add this one, otherwise the paths executable will not work. So you must have to check this one, don't forget this one. Okay, and go to the custom. Here you can do whatever you wanna install. It's a pipe needed, this one, all is important, but I will leave only documentation. I don't need documentation, it will take more space on my computer. So it's up to you guys, you gonna take it or not. Okay, after selecting this, I'll come back and I will hit install now, and it will give you a user control. I'll say yes. It will take little time and we'll complete the setup. Okay, so he's saying setup was completed successfully, and we'll do close. And two things we have to check. Which one? Will go here in your command prompt and just type Python space dash capital V, enter, and it will show you Python 3.8.2 is installed. Secondly, you have to check pipe space dash V, enter, and it will open a pipe here. And my antivirus is blocking this, and now after that he scanned and then he said yes, the pipe 19.2.3 is installed on it. So these two things, if you have, you are good to go. So this was our video today, how to install Python. And if we come on one more thing, I'm gonna show you on the okay. This is Windows 10. See? Okay. So we installed Python on our computer. See you guys in the next video.